Hey friends, if you wish to change homepage in Opera browser, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Search for Opera in the Windows search bar and open Opera browser. Now, on the list on the left hand side, click on these three dots at the left bottom corner. Scroll down and then select settings. Okay, and now you can scroll down at the bottom for on startup. On startup here means home page, because when you start up a browser, the first page is called the home page. So if you want to add a specific page, you can click on open a specific set of pages. Click on add a new page, google.com. Okay, now why does it say specific set of pages? Why not just one? Because you can add multiple here. Okay, or you can check this option to begin with a new start, fresh start page, or retains the tabs. I mean, it's up to you. Now I'll close Opera, and then I will search for Opera once again, and then I'll open it. And as you can see, it opens to google.com. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.